Hey guys, Chris here with Smile Mile Painting. Again, another wonderful day in the Tri-Cities. We're painting and we're painting a lot and it's amazing. And here we are at the Toyota Center up here in the Hapo Lounge. I want you to come with me. We're gonna see what the guys are doing right here. As we go through these doors, you're gonna see that we're painting right now. We're taking it from a tan to a white. And you can see we've got several guys here painting and getting everything cut in and trimmed in. And we're putting a super paint on these walls. So it's super paint interior from Sherwin Williams. And as you can see, they're just going white. And so once we're all done, the walls are gonna be all white. And we're gonna be possibly painting the doors black